What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you guys a quick tip on how to use LUTs to edit your photos in Photoshop. I posted this video right here the other day, and I also included a free LUT for you to download. And I got some questions from you on how to use LUTs to edit your photos. So I'm going to go over that real quick in Photoshop on how to do that. All right, so I got some random photos right here that I'm using. And the first thing you want to do, you want to go down to your adjustment layers, and you want to go to color lookup. And LUT stands for lookup table. So you want to click on load 3D LUT. You want to click on load 3D LUT right here at the top. Then you're going to find the folder where you save your LUTs. And the LUT that I included for you guys is at the top right here. I'm going to click that and I'm going to hit load. And when you load, it's going to change the colors in your image like instantly. So you don't really have to do much after that. You may have to tweak some things because every photo is different. Every photo and every video is different as far as the exposure and colors. So you may have to tweak some of the settings. So I'm going to go to the next photo. I'm going to go to my adjustment layers. I'm going to go to color lookup, load 3D LUT. I'm just going to load the same LUT. Click that, hit load. And let me show you the before and after on this. Before, after, before, after. I'm going to go back to this one too. This is the before, after, before, after. So let's go to the next picture. I'm going to go to your adjustment layers. Going to hit color lookup, load 3D LUT. I'm going to grab the same one. Okay, I'm going to show you the before. That's before, after, before, after. All right, so the last one. We'll go to adjustment layers, color lookup, load 3D LUT. Going to choose your LUT, hit load. And let's see the before. That's before, after, before, after. Okay, and that's it. It's real simple to do. Make sure you download the LUT. It's free. Let me know how it works for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.